right, I think we're here live. We got Instagram. We are live here on Facebook. Thank you guys for all tuning in. Welcome. As you guys already probably know, you see all my videos. My name is Chris. I'm here at the local AceVacuum store here in Northern Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road, Leesburg, Virginia. We also have one in Fairfax, which is located at 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia. We had, just so you guys know, this video, we posted some updates and statuses throughout the week. This video is for the giveaway for the Miele that we had for those who attended the home show. We do want to thank everybody for coming out to the home show last weekend, not this past weekend, but the weekend before. Thank you guys for coming out and supporting us, stopping by our little stand there, and we appreciate everything and supporting local. You guys do know that we really thrive off your all support, and so we want to appreciate you guys for coming out. During that time, we had a few things and stuff. I know if anybody's seen me there, I was giving out those little coupon things that have like a discount on them, and then it had the main thing, which is the giveaway for the brand new Miele. So hopefully you guys saved your tickets, because we're getting ready. We're going to wait here a few minutes, but we're getting ready to announce the winner of that. Right here I have all the tickets that we acquired. So we're going to shake this around when it gets a little closer to the time. Here in a few minutes, we're going to shake this around. I'm going to pull one name out. That person, if you're watching, great, you know who you are. If not, then I will be contacting you either by phone or email, whichever one that you provided, and then you can come in and pick up your brand new Miele vacuum here at AceVacuums. You're going to be able to pick that up here in Leesburg. So just keep in mind that that's where you have to pick it up at. Just want to let you guys know we're getting ready to close out this month. We're getting ready to go into May. Just so everybody's aware, we have some cool sales and discounts and things that's going to be happening. Even if you don't win, if you guys saved that coupon code that you had, that little stub that you would have tore off and kept there, you can actually bring that in, and that's a 20% off discount on any Miele vacuum in our store. You can come in and get anything. It doesn't matter if it's a Triflex, if it's any of the canister vacuums, the C3s, the classic C1s, the compacts. You can redeem that at either Fairfax or at Leesburg location, and you can get 20% off. I know that doesn't, to be honest with you, 20% off a Miele right now is a huge deal. You know, Miele's all get imported in, so the price is basically the price. It doesn't matter if you go on Amazon, if you go anywhere else to try to get a Miele, they're all going to be generally the same cost. So to be able to get that at 20% off, if you are in the market for an upgrade or need a new vacuum, that 20% off coupon is definitely huge if you're definitely thinking about upgrading and getting to a new Miele. So let's see how many people we got here before I go ahead and start this. One here, a few here. All right, we're going to wait 2 more minutes. While we're talking about that, I'm waiting for all this to go down. Just want to let you guys remind you all that we are doing repairs and services and cleanings. So if you need to have your vacuum cleaned, serviced, if you need to get it repaired, if it's not working properly, no suction, the same thing with your central vacuum system. We offer estimates and repairs and all that type of stuff, so you can stop in and get one, get a free estimate on any vacuum that's broke or needs repaired or fixed. All right, so the Miele that we're giving away is a classic C1. It's a very good unit. It has lots of tools, attachments. As you guys know about Miele, Miele is one of the most renowned vacuums in the world. It has a really good rating on Consumer Report. So if you're tired of buying cheap Bissells and Hoovers and Sharks and Dysons, and they break down every couple years, you want to get a good quality vacuum that can last you a long time. If it's properly taken care of, the Miele would be the way to go. If you have allergies, if you have breathing issues, if you have pets and animals, the filtration on a Miele vacuum is it's out of this world. It's amazing. I mean, they do a phenomenal job of taking all the dirty air that comes out of that vacuum and filtering it through the system, so everything that comes out of there is dust, dirt, allergen, odor-free air. I mean, they do a phenomenal job. They seal the system down really well. They have a strong motor on them that lasts forever. They're very quiet, so they're very good company, a very good system. So we pride ourselves in being a Miele dealer, at least here at AceVacuums, because we stand behind them. We are the authorized service center for them as well too. So we handle all the warranty work for Miele as well. So if you have any warranty issues or any issues like that with any of your Mieles, even if you didn't buy them from us, you can bring it to us. We can work on them no matter what, even if you didn't buy that Miele from us. I love the company. I love selling them. I love everything about them, and we've had no complaints with any customers that we sell these vacuums to, okay? All right, so without further ado, I will go ahead and we're going to start the drawing. Let me go ahead and remove this here. I've had it actually sealed since last week, and so no tickets got mixed up or misplaced or fell out of here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Alright, so just going to give this thing a really, really good shake. Just so you guys know that I don't have any tickets up my sleeves and want any special customers to win. I'm going to go ahead and roll my sleeves up here so that way we have no tickets up here so you guys can see that. We're going to give everybody a fair chance here to win a brand new Miele. Alright, I think that's pretty well shaken here. Alright, I'm going to pop this lid. Alright, I'm going to reach in here, and whoever's name I pick, this is the winner. So we have, I am completely sorry if I butcher this name. I apologize up front. Yaku Moore, 1124. You are the winner of a brand new Miele vacuum. Again, Ayaka Moore, 1124 is the ticket number. If you have that ticket number, 1124, Ayaka Moore, you have won a brand new Miele, and you can come on down here to AceVacuums to come pick up your vacuum. If you're not on here watching, I will give you a call here as soon as I end this video and let you know that you won the brand new Miele. Congratulations, buddy. Thank you for coming out, and congratulations on winning your new Miele. I hope you guys had a fun time watching this video. I had a fun time making it. And thank you for all those who came out and supported us at the home show and continue to support local and shop local and help small businesses like us. We greatly appreciate the business. We greatly appreciate the feedback, the good reviews, and everything that we get from you guys. So thank you guys very much from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a phenomenal week, and we can't wait to see you guys come out and everything. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. We got our winner for the Miele. Again, thanks everyone for tuning in, and thank you for your support. You guys have a great day. This is Chris from AceVacuums. Peace and out. Thanks, guys.